You see these two people.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. This is your real estate consultant, Emmanuel. Hello, my property, my page name. I'm live at Ibadan. This is Ibadan. I'm at Ibadan. And I'm here to tell you that this is the latest estate in town that we just launched. The name of the estate is Treasure Island Estate at Osengere, Ibadan, Ojo. You can see the road everywhere is developed, and a plot in this estate sells for 4.5 million naira, while a plot goes for 3 million naira. Also, for those of you asking that do we have a payment plan, yes we do, with initial deposit of 500,000 or 1 million naira, then spread the balance for 12 months interest free. The good thing about this estate is that it has a good title. The title on this is Certificate of Occupancy, Global Seal of O. Why don't you contact me on my number showing on the screen, 080-600-87341. Once again, 070-800-75864. I'm Emmanuel by name. You can get hectares. We have hectares, we have acres here. But on instrumental payment plan, you can invest now. The best time for you to invest is now. It's never too late. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more details and more video about all our estates globally. See you investing. Best time now.